ikaw na dito mag-video.
Sige ako.
Mario Villanueva.
Morning, sir.
Nakita ko naka-bus sa galing.
May baso, may galing pang Davao kagabi.
Cavite.
Sila po yung Cavite and Rizal.
Cavite and Rizal.
Yung
Ako po taga-Morong Rizal.
Okay.
Ako Caloocan.
Thank you for helping Medit versus now. She's one of our inspiration ng mga estudyante namin. She really came from, alam mo na, tawag namin sa laylayan. She has to sell something just so she can continue her study. Until na ma-vlog, tapos nakita namin. So we started, I gave her scholarship, and promote, ayun. So marami din siya natutunan. We like that.
Kasi nababalitaan namin na wala na akong scholarship si Medit.
Sino may sabi?
Yung mga balawaran ko.
Yung mga baser ko. Opo.
Pupunta pa daw po kayo ni Ma'am
I-check
Anita
yun.
Reyes.
Oo.
Minention po kayo, papatanggal nyo na daw po.
Tanggal daw po ang scholarship.
Sinong nagsabi?
Anita Reyes.
Dati yung school siya, dati yung school siya po ni Medit yan.
Marami po siyang bashers.
Totoo naman, sir.
ambassadress.
Pero hindi kami niniwala kasi nandiyan.
Hindi, kasi ako pumipirma ng scholarship si Medit eh.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Payano ko nga. I-post ko.
Thank you, sir.
The endorser namin. Yeah,
Yes po.
deserves the honor.
Thank you, sir.
Diba? I don't think it will happen.
Piniyakan po namin si Medit pag hindi mo maganda ang mga comment ng mga nagmamalahura po sa kanya eh.
Kagabi maiyak-iyak si ate, wala si James.
So they want to present this for, let me read the piece of silent, solid independent supporter, certificate of appreciation is presented to Engineer Mario Villanueva, President Naga College Foundation, in heartfelt recognition and sincere gratitude for your unwavering support, trust and belief in Medit Barcelona as an online ambassadress and presidential scholar of NCCOM. Your steadfast encouragement and commitment to student empowerment have greatly inspired and uplifted the community of silent, independent champion supporters. Through your leadership and guidance, you have significantly contributed to the development of young creators, student leaders, leaving a